So in the previous video, we added this really cool feature using that the Jarvis AI assistant is able to remember things. So let me show you a demo of it.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 10 hours 20 minutes and 5 seconds. The current date is 15/5/2020. Good evening, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, remember that?
What should I remember?
I have put my keys in the bag.
You said me to remember that I have put my keys in the bag.
Go offline, Jarvis. So now we will check the data.txt file if it has right the data what we is said it to remember. So as you can see, it has saved the data into this file which is data.txt. Jarvis, do you know anything?
You said me to remember that I have put my keys in the bag.
So as you guys can see, it is able to remember things as well. So in this video, I will be adding another feature into our AI assistant. So for example, we want our AI assistant to take a screenshot of our screen. So for that, we will create another function. So first of all, we need to install this library called PyAutoGUI. So for that, we will need to use this command, which is pip install PyAutoGUI, and using this library we can take a screenshot of our screen. So I've already installed it, and if you will use this command, so it will be installed on your system as well. So let me just try to import this library at the top of my program. So I'll do import PyAutoGUI, and I will add the command here for installing this library into your system. And after that, what I will do is I will create another function for taking the screenshot for us. So before the main function, we will create another function which we will name as screenshot. And in this function, first of all, we will create an variable which we will name it as img, and it will be equals to PyAutoGUI.screenshot. So it is a pre-built function in this library using which we can take screenshots. And what we will do is we will do image dot save. So it will save the image in our current folder, and if we will ask our AI assistant to take screenshot, then it will take the screenshot of our screen and save it into this folder. So, and in the screenshot function, we also need to add this string here. So what this string means is we are giving the path where we want to save our file, and we are also passing the name of the file as well. So I have given the file name as ss.png. So it will save it here where we are creating this AI assistant. So what we will do is we will save it, and we'll go into our main function, and we will add another elif statement here. So we'll add elif if our user says, if our user's command contains screenshot in it, so it should call this screenshot function. So screenshot and in query. So we'll call the screenshot function here. So after that, we will add a speak function, and we want our AI assistant to tell us that it has taken the screenshot. So it will tell us that done. It should say done after taking the screenshot. So we will save this program, and let me try to run it and see if it is working or not. So
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 7 hours 55 minutes and 20 seconds. The current date is 16/5/2020. Good evening, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, take a screenshot.
Done.
So let me just go into my folder and check it if it has taken the screenshot or not. So let me just try to open this image. So as you guys can see, it has taken the screenshot of our screen. So let me just try to close our program. So that was it for this session. So let's move to the next session.